What's up? Ayo, everybody! Are we ready? Oh, okay, I'm getting comfy. Are we ready for the afternoon session, people? Let's do this. Okay, so... You know, to say I'm so sick and tired of getting losses is not even funny anymore, but we continue. We continue until this account is either blown and then we try again, or until we get a payout. You just gotta keep on keeping on at the end of the day. That's all that matters. Okay, so let's now mark out London. Awesome sauce. So here's London low. Everything else is marked out. What am I doing? There we go. London low. And of course. Do you know how freaking often I do this? But that's okay. I'm just part of them raps. Hi, awesome. That's done, that's done. Basically everything I had to do. Now let's do a tops bottom analysis again, quick stick. So let's start off sweet and simply. Let's do the daily. Like I said, daily still looks, yeah. Look at that wick. I'm curious to see here how this ends up going. Wow. Look at all of these imbalances that are still to the freaking sell side. All the way down here. Okay, I don't know if it's gonna go that far. What's up, Muddy? How are you? How's it going? How you doing? Shame, how's Kara, Muddy? Is she good? Are you good? I think shame. Everyone always asks how the one person is doing and forgets about the other one. Okay, so daily, awesome source. Let's check the 4 hour. Chart to me looks identical to Friday's. OTT, thank you. OTT, out of curiosity, what are your subs looking like? Oh, we're gonna have to get more people to start subbing to you again. Mother fluffer got so close and you didn't check it. Fine. Ayo, go have fun. How you doing? So hi everybody. Hello.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
I hope everyone is amazing around 33. I'm still yet to doing. What have you been posting though, OTT? She'll get their funeral tomorrow, then she can start proper. Yeah. It's never easy to lose people. But it's weird. We grieve the loss, but I was gonna say something a bit controversial, but it's okay. That was okay. I'm gonna keep quiet. Where am I? I'm on the 4 hour. Let's check the 1 hour. Great, ready for the opener. Go have fun. I love it. Let's... I don't even know if I'm ready or not anymore. Hey, Mikhail, what's up? How you doing? Is it Mikhail? I know, my balance went down, Mark. I'm so excited. Yes, that was pure sarcasm, but it's fine. And some other things that still working on it is nice. Just good grief, buddy. Do not say that to her yet. Do not say that to her yet. Wow. Anyways, let's check 15. I think the bulls are still in play. That being said, I forgot to check the 5-minute double. Where's midnight? Midnight is below. Never mind, maybe the bears are actually going to start coming to the party. Let's see what happens at open. Oh, never. Okay, good. Don't let it go. Oh, why not? Go up. Why don't you want it to go down? I think the bears might come into play, but again, you know, what I suspect and what it actually does tends to be the opposite recently. Just fade me and oopsies. Fade me and you guys should be good. There we go. I'm afraid I'll be right. Angry Bob? Oh, bye-bye markets. You think it's gonna start pushing down, down, down? Oh! You know what, go have fun at this point. It is what it is. But the N-Wog can def hold. OTT, you didn't even tap into the damn N-Wog earlier. Just saying. Stupid thing. Look how close it got. But it didn't actually tap into it. Oh well, it is what it is. Muddy, you're still in this. Hey, Debbie, what's up? How are you doing? Did you take any trades this morning, Debbie? I actually forgot to ask you. Okay, wait, I'll watch that just now. I see Geordie sent me something on Discord. I'll watch it later. Let's not do that. TP is 25.3. Hey, Mr. Chaos, what's up? Lava. Good morning. It did tap on NQ. Oh, great. Okay. Seriously. Okay, so it tapped on NQ, but it didn't tap on MNQ. Mother fluffer, if I knew that, I wouldn't have taken that long. Okay, that's fine. If I hit this, I'll be green for the week. 2 trades and done. If it's swing, I'll take 2 hours, but that's alright. The silly short earlier, but we live and we learn. Exactly, I know the feeling, but I got my balance up. Get back back in the up game. Go have fun. I love it. We've got this. Well, you've definitely got this. You've got this. If I don't got it, at least you've got it, and that's what's important. I wanted to do something. What did I want to do? Oh, do you know what I didn't do? I didn't check on ES where the damn... Oh. You know what? I should really take time to also mark out the key levels on ES. Sugar, honey, iced tea. If I had seen that on ES, it had tapped into the new weekly opening gap as well, I probably wouldn't have taken that long. Dag nabbit. Lesson learned. Lesson learned. Brain cells need to start doing their job. And that's okay. On to the next. Heyo, Fahrenheit, what's up? How you doing? Abito, hi. How are you? I'm gonna do this again for everybody.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
No, the long was good. I guess OTT, it's just, yeah, I should have maybe checked on ES. The fact that it tapped into the new weekly opening gap on ES should have been that little bit of a, aha. Maybe don't do that, but it's okay, right? It's fine. Okay, on to the next. We have exactly... Faraday, what's up? Give me 2 seconds. Aha! I just stabbed myself in the chin with my nail. That hurt. That was not the smartest thing I've done. Owie. What the heck, man? That... Okay, it's fine. This is a good start. What did you do today? Oh, you know, I stabbed myself in the face with my own fingernail. Winning. Okay. Oh, I can't believe it. Okay. Right now, bullish is the play, but bearish can still happen, and being neutral is the safest bet. OTT, I'm kind of neutral. Now that it's New York, I guess I am neutral. It's either going to go down to midnight open, or it's going to go up and fill the new weekly opening gap. That's where I'm at. So I'm basically a bit of a mixed bag. I'm just going to wait and see what the chart presents, right? I'm just saying I'm a little big damage, just better. Oh, that's okay, Muddy. Go sleep. I'm sure you've had a lot going on. Patience. Last night had a great setup. Nice. Hey, Kevin. What's up? Waiting for market. Yep. You're on early. Mikuwave, it was whatchamacallits. Daylight savings kicked in, so market is now about to open in 4 minutes. Well, it keeps pumping. I'm expecting a huge drop after London highs are taken. Ooh, interesting, Debbie. So you think it might actually take London highs and then drop down? Interesting. Cheers, cheers, Maddie. I hope you sleep well. Ayo, love. Give me 2 seconds. I'm gonna just keep the microphone on. Just a second. Okay. I would say I'm back, but I mean, I didn't really go anywhere. Love, what's up? Maddie, you need like a mic drop thing for you. But the way you always say out, I imagine a mud crab out, dropping the microphone. I love it. I love it. We have 3 minutes to go. Are we ready? Steady. Here we go. Hey, Nene, what's up? They have done that, Mikwabe. It happened on the 8th, so on yesterday. Yeah. Hey, Pilati, what's up? Bearish or bullish outlook? Oh, Kwame, I think it could go either way. It could either go up and mitigate the new weekly opening gap, or it could go down to midnight opening range. So I'm kind of neutral. I'm going to see what the charts present, but right now it's in a bit of a weird stage that it could go either way. So I am neutral. Yeah. So I haven't changed. I'm on an hour earlier, right? I haven't changed. I'm still on EST time. It's 9:28, which means clocks have come back. Hey, Rashawn, what's up? Mr. Chaos, wait, Mr. Chaos, why are we doing? No, apparently March the 8th. So Sunday. Mikurai. Like I said, I haven't changed. I have EST time up here. EST time is still, yeah, this is 9:28 EST time. Here we go. It feels like the part of the roller coaster ride as you're hitting the top before the drop. Angry Bob, that was so descriptive. I love it. I'm back. Don't win 10k, but 5k. Hey, Alpha, I mean, that's not bad. What? JP, how you doing? Market open soon, that's why, yep. Yep, Mikuave. It happened apparently on the 8th. Yeah. Apparently. She heads back up, which will tag me out, but it's fine, I ain't getting out of bed. Hard swing all the way. Ignore no Pori. Oh my gosh, buddy, that was hilarious. Ayo, Alex! What's up? JP, be careful today. Yo, flip. At this point, just be careful in general. Right? At this point, just be careful in general. We have a minute. Oh, actually, wait, no. Let's do this. Ready?
Okay, let's go.
we go. Whoa. London high down to midnight seems possible. Let's see what this does. Well, we've already instantly back created an SMT. Elf, I know, I took a trade earlier. It was a flop. Oh well, it is what it is. I'm gonna make one last trade today. Mr. Chaos, how many trades did you make after I left? And how were they? These sound effects are your vibe. I know. I am the vibe. Hey, Devontae, what's up? Daytrading, love you all, much love. Cheers, cheers, Maddie. See you. Woo! K, Joe. Bro. So frustrating! The 50% of the full range worked out. Fine. Ignore the weird noises. We're gonna just carry on. Oh, the weirdness just continues. You know what? At least we have fun here. Never boring. And it comes with sound effects. I'm not just talking about the memes, I'm talking about me. Clearly, I just... sound effects included. Okay, then you have to win 1k today. I can't. Consistency rule. I can only get like 600. Break even on the day and want to give it one more try. Okay, Mr. Chaos, not bad. Thanks, buddy. Let's see what this brings here. Never boring. No. We can say that this channels many things. But boring ain't one. Okay, well there's the 930 range. Let's see what it does in the 930 range. Do you know who I've not seen 5 ever is Rip? I don't know where Rip went. I think Rippy left. Oh well. Ayo, Vapor Dripping. Wait, Vapor Dripper, that sounds super weird. But anyways, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. What's up? I'm low-key surprised no one's yelled at me for the fact that I don't have a headband on. Go in rage mode. Yeah, sure. Rage at the charts. No, but that's letting emotions win, and that's a no-no. Huge SMT now created. Let's see how it's gonna react. This might go back down. Here we go. Back down. Bob, why didn't you do this earlier, you little fluffing fluff? You little fluffer Fluffington. Okay. Vapor Dropper, am I trading reversal? I am hands off until we get a little bit of a clear direction of which way we're going. Okay, tapped back into the new weekly opening gap on ES. Let's see, this might be the first presented that could be created here. Let's see. Well, okay, obviously I'm jumping to conclusions. Do not jump to conclusions. Tapped in there. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Potentially Earth. Wait. Nope. Maybe. Let's see what wins. Okay, not the first presented. Cool. So it does look like the bulls are not wanting to let the bears take control just yet. We appreciate the originality. Thank you. Yeah. In all honesty, it's just about honesty. That this is what it is. You get the weirdness, you get the honesty, you get the ups, you get the downs. The whole point of this is just, you know, honesty is the best policy. If a short entry does show, I'll take it as well. OTT, that's kinda what I'm waiting for. This looks like it had this massive, I mean, how big was this freaking candle? Nearly 100-point candle. Let's say 93-point candle. 93 points. Wow. Okay. 93-point candle. Let's see now if we're gonna get more of a push, or if that was the push and now we go back down. Maybe back down to VWAP. That's maybe a shout. Also trying to pick liquidity on the upside. Maybe. Let's see. That's why I'm low-key hands off. Let's wait for the fighting to get under control, and then we can go from there. Now I have to trade with my 2-year-old son. I hope he'll eat. Oh goodness, Elf. Nene, yeah. Raven, what broker should I use if I have $500 and don't want to use a prop firm? Sorry, I trade props, so I'm not actually sure. Guys, thoughts on that one? A new low was created, so let's see if it will correct back bearish. Kwame? My draw would be 651 for shorts. What do you mean 651? Oh, got it. So coming and taking out this low for the shorts. Interesting. I mean, here is some... It's basically... I'm gonna just call them relative equal lows. Because obviously it's not equal, but they're pretty close together. So if it takes this out, it would make sense for it to take all of it out. Popping back into this fair value gap again. Let's see if this is now going to be the first presented. Potentially, bob to bob. But I'd like to see an SMT with ES though. Short from my 520. Nice! I'm sorry, OTT, did you just call me auntie? Excuse me? Excuse me, take it back. Take it back right now. Take it back now, y'all. Won't help this time. Beep, beep. Okay, you know what? Actually, that's valid. Calling me auntie after I just did that is valid. Alright, equals loss of sell side for us. Let's see. OTT level. Ooh, you're right. We've got us an OTT level. And a potential first presented over here. We've got us an OTT level. It's happened. I don't often get to create an OTT level, but here we go, guys. First presented, first presented, first presented. Whoop whoop. Nope. Unless I draw it like the chop. First presented. Okie dokie artichoke. So let's see if this comes back in. What does this look like on the 5-minute? Bruh. Okay. 5-minute looks like trash. That's what it looks like on the freaking 5-minute. No, I've lost some lost some information over there. But anyways, it's okay. We know where the first presented is. That's what's important. Still pushing down. Still hasn't taken anything out from the lows. 1, 2. Shoot. This is a B setup. Dagnabbit. Okay. Huh. It's not an A+. She's auntie. I'm an unk. Oh, thanks, buddy. I'm gotta refer proper to my elders. Shouldn't it be, Danny then? Looking like exhaustion for the Bears. 133. What? No, there's no first presented here. Where's the first presented? OTT? I don't see no first presented over here. There ain't no Fair Valley up there. What you talking about, son? I don't know why I did that, but anyway. I'm on the 1 hour. Oh, don't worry. Oh, you're... Yeah, maybe 933 for ES. Targeting 288. Okay. Lie down with more sass. It's fine. Yeah, OTT. Goodness. Stay in your lane. No, I'm kidding. I'm so sorry. I'm so kidding. You know I'm kidding. You know I'm kidding. This looks better. No wicks. Okay, no wicks. 2, 3. Got the 5 minute as well. That is the 5 minute chart. Right there. No! No! OTT, did you get an entry for this at all, or is it just running away without you? Kind of like it's running away without me. This is now not bad. Not bad at all. If it comes back, I do indeed like it. I don't know why I'm speaking like this, but we're going with it. Yes. Yes, indeed. Okay. At least I have placed it. Point of interest over there has not taken out the relative equal lows just yet. It did create a bit of a change of character. Now we wait for a little bit of a retest and then hopefully a break of structure. Is it going to go that far back up though? Whoop 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 whooping. TP hit on ES. Oh! Oh my goodness! OTT? OTT deserves another whoop. Thank you, Muddy, by the way, for the whoop whoop, but OTT deserves another whoop. No, you little bluxum. Damn, OTT, look at you go! Okay, well, it took out those lows. It looks like it's still going. Mother bluffer. It has literally now created an SMT. So it's taken out those lows, tapped into that, but it looks like it wants to potentially continue. But if it retraces, do we trust this enough? Hip. Hey, Solly, what's up? Danny, hi, what's up? Three, 4, 4. So where my TP would be, I just don't think this is going to retrace to where I wanted to, but that's okay. I'm very close to getting stopped. No, Muddy, I'm so sorry. Do you prefer your views on you? Nene, probably. Brilliant. That's the best thing. You're trading. You can always follow your gut when you're keen on the run. OTT, I am so proud. Oh, goodness. Okay. Heyo, DJ, what's up? Did tap into this order block on ES. Now let's check out how it looked on the 5 minute now that more stuff has happened. That is the 5 minute. It's back into the 5 minute. Back into this fair value gap on the 5 minute. Isn't terrible. Still has not taken out these lows. Okay. Is it going to retrace back up that high though? That is the question. We are back in this very weird range that was created earlier. Sorry, I know I'm talking to myself. I'm aware that I'm talking to myself. Oh, shoot. No, I lied. Never mind. Ignore me. Ignore the oh, shoot. What time is it? 9:45. Is there news at 10? And I feel dirty. Hey, don't use my unicorn. Everything happens when I'm on the bus or in a lecture. I'm so sorry, DJ. Paper trip and market headed to pick liquidity on the upside. My stop loss is below the retail stop loss, so I'm confident. Yeah, but it could definitely be wrong. If I use the unicorn, I'm gonna get tagged. OTT now and then we're allowed to be a little bit shoot. Okay, no. Okay. Took out those relative equal lows, basically tapped into VWAP. Whoa. Wait! Solly? Whoop whoop? Whoop whoop for Solly? Solly, you still here? Huge whoop whoop for Solly. Okay, well it hit the OTT zone, except OTT was this more for ES, I'm assuming. But either way, it worked. And then a banger rejection off of it. You'd have to be so quick to follow this down and move 50% there though, because where it was, it did not get tagged in, but here it would have gotten tagged in. But it did just take out those relative equal lows, so now I'm just making sure that we're gonna get either a continuation back down or if it's gonna start pushing back up. Let's see. Decent rejection off of the bob level. Okay. Literally tapped into the 5-minute orb. Has not closed below the 15-minute orb though. This might be where it starts dropping down, but it did tap into VWAP and it did take out OTT's level. Had the FP first, yes. Hey Chris Catchers, what's up? I'm on the Nasdaq futures, the micros to be specific. How goes it? How goes it? Part of me still wants to take it. Another part of me is like, do not do it. It is not worth it, or else you're just making the same mistake you made last week, and that is you have to learn from the lessons. If you do not learn, then you're just an idiot. They are lessons for a reason. Can't keep making the same mistake and expecting it to be, you know, any different. I have a proof guy, also gives out analysis where to invest. Oh, interesting. What does he say? What am I cooking for dinner tonight? No idea. I do not plan that far ahead in life. That sounds like an in a few hours problem. Probably DJ, yeah. Hey, yo, shorty, what's up? I started out with 50k, so I'm not doing great. But fine. Oil prices teleported up. That is amazing. It's 50, shorty. Oh well. Maya lives in the moment. Exactly. That is the only way to do it. XAU USD going higher. Damn, wanted to take the long. Got taken out by 5 ticks. Oh, Mr. Chaos, no! It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, let's see how it reacts here. So, Mr. Chaos, out of curiosity, why were you keen on the long? Like I said, probably wouldn't have been fast enough to get, to get this. Literally it tagged and it went up. I would not have been quick enough to get this entry point, but let's see if it works out. Good rejection, retested, rejected again. The fact that it keeps retesting is... okay. Yeah, It's okay, Shawnee. Things happen. Have I made any withdrawals? No. Had this for like... How long have I had this? 3 weeks. Let me quickly see something. 3 weeks. So the first week was basically break even. Oh, the next week was disgusting. Literally, the second week, that last week of Feb, I was down $717. Can I just say? That has been the worst week. No, not the worst week. I've had worse. Okay, no, it's fine. It's fine. I have had worse. And then the week that just passed, oh, I was down 252, but at least it's getting less. Gotta look at the small things in life. Obviously, not great that I'm having more red weeks. But I have been doing a little bit of backtesting and seeing if I can improve the strategy / maybe find a new one. OTT, I know that would make you happy. I kind of called that out. I knew I'd go up to that confidence. I've made thousands of pounds. We're gonna start with real money Friday, but oh, it's okay, DJ. Wait, Geordie's here. Geordie, are you here? Getting the retest on the cluster. Oh, okay, got it, Mr. Chaos. Maya has to live in the moment because the future's run out.
Emotional damage.
Damn. So rude. JP, man, I'm gonna make you learn volume profiles like it's a cheat code. I know. I even have it in my notes. Do you know what? I was so dedicated to learning them that yesterday I took out time. I was all ready to sit down. I even got like snacks to come and sit down and do everything. And then guess what? The power went out. Do you know what's even worse? The power went out a little bit this morning and now there's no water. Yes, that screaming is low-key how I feel. Does anything else want to happen to start this week off? First the power went out. Well, the power went out yesterday. Then the power went out again this morning. And now there's no water. Winning! Anyways. Market change structures of the short trades. Let's see. Oh, Jordy will show up now that... Let's see. Jordy! Oh, Jordy! Someone saying I must come visit and I'm going to say yes. Did it work? That didn't work. Just drink out of your pool. Problem solved. I did my 3 trades and that's the rule. No more than 3 trades a day. Oh, Mr. Chaos! Nice, well done. Well done for sticking to your rules. Pick a day this week, we can do a session. Okay. Hey. Rude. Okay, that was a good bob to bob level. Broke below VWAP now. Okay, so which means that now... No, sugar honey iced tea. Except this is a B setup, not an A+ setup. These B setups have actually been working out better than the A+ recently. Which is frustrating. The Bs have been really decent. The A+s have been screwing me, but that's okay. Market opens at 4. Hammer? No, market open now. Hammer, whatchamacallit? Daylight savings kicked in yesterday. Hey, El Paradello? I feel like I butchered that, I'm so sorry. Do I offer a program where you teach people how to trade? I do not think I'm qualified enough to do that yet, but I appreciate the confidence. What did it look like from here, maybe? Still not ideal. Found VWAP, it went below VWAP on ES. Let's see what ES kit used. Stop scratching you. Eh, what's wrong? Why are you so itchy? I hate it when my glasses do this. Now I feel like a librarian. Oh dear. Solly, now you can make fun of me. But making relatively cool lows on the S. Okay. Gonna watch here how it reacts. Freaking bob to bob. Are you freaking kidding me? Okay, broke below the 15-minute. Retested back in. Bob to bob. One day when I get another eval, I'm gonna be brave enough to start trading bob to bob levels. Screw it. Because this is ridiculous. This is absolutely ridiculous. Cheers, Muddy. Enjoy. Let's get some whoopity whoop. Everyone's leaving. I know, it's okay. I think it's been, this sounds so weird, but do you know what is wild? Everyone I've spoken to, stream and, you know, IRL. Yes, I just said IRL because I am lame. Everyone has said these past 2 weeks, so the last week of Feb and this first week of March have been brutal. I do not know what's happening. Maybe Mercury's in the microwave, I don't know. But these last 2 weeks for everyone has been chaotic, has been just kicking everyone while they are down. I do not know what's going on right now, but yeah, these last 2 weeks have just been all over the place for everyone I've spoken to. I don't think there's one person who I've spoken to that they're just like, oh, yeah, these last 2 weeks have been amazing. I've been loving every second of it. So, like I said, who knows? Maybe Mercury's in the microwave. Who knows? But damn, if someone could take it out the microwave, that'd be great. Okay, so Frankfurt closes at 5 and London 6, New York at 10. Okay. Oil futures have been awesome. I can imagine. Oil futures must be... I guess. But it's not... Okay, Muddy, but it's not just... Obviously, with us, it's to do with on the markets, right? I'm talking about people's personal lives, and. It's not just to do with the markets. Like, just in general. These last 2 weeks have just been absolute insanity for traders and non-traders alike. It's weird. JP, you've loved these charts. Oil futures have been amazing. Loving every single second of it. Hey, Dale, what's up? Well, I can't imagine. It must be banging right now. 2-1, decent rejection. It just keeps retesting it. Let's see, it is 1 minute to 10. I know there's no news, but always watch out for the new hourly opening candles. They could come and bite you. Okie dokie. Oh yeah, they've been exactly Muddy. Everything is not the best. Even the Wi-Fi. Wait, is the Wi-Fi being stupid now? Please don't say it's being stupid now. I know it was so stupid this morning. Please. If only we had a hammer to fix the Wi-Fi. Oh my goodness. I don't think they would appreciate me very much if I took a hammer to the Wi-Fi. Or Coda, whatever. Hey, Hagar? Hagar. Hagar. No, what's up? How you doing? Welcome, welcome. Okay, let's see. 10 a.m. is now. Anything? New hourly candle? Nope. Yep. Maybe. Nope. Potentially not. is note bar. Because when I open candles, are there to wick you out every time? Kwame, exactly. That's why it's rather safer to stay out a little bit and witness what happens. Except now it's not actually doing anything. So that's fine. Ayo, Samuel. Yes and no. There was this setup. It just only came to retest after taking out a bunch of sell-side liquidity, and it retested so quickly I was not able to trace far enough back down, or it wouldn't have been able to trace back that far down, but I did close it because it took out the point of interest, which was over here. Now, no, there's no good setups that have presented themselves again, or themselves again since then, so yeah. Ow, ow. Mosquitoes, okay. They do mean mosquitoes somewhere. What platform am I trading on? I'm trading on TradingView currently via Tradeovate via Top 1 Futures. Sorry, I know it's a lot of do. Okay, you know what? Let's quickly... I expected more while it's deciding what it's gonna do. Let's quickly have some fun. Let's do our... Go away. Let's do... Daily fun fact. Here we go. Sorry, I'm just gonna... Boop. There we go. Ooh, no. Okay, daily fun fact. Are we ready? I've not seen this, so we're gonna read this together. The group of spikes at the end of a stegosaurus tail is called the Thagomizer. I don't think I pronounced that correctly, but anyways, they had no distinct name until the term was coined in 1982 by a cartoonist. What? Okay. So a cartoonist came up with the name for its little spikes. Leave me alone. See? Daily random fun fact. Very random, but interesting. Okay, back to the charts. Please present something amazing. That would be awesome. If it's gonna happen, I'm not sure. Muddy. That wasn't fun. I'm sorry. It wasn't fun. The one earlier was fun. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, tapped into the first presented. Mother fluffer. I am a stegosaurus. You know, you know. The skin on the elbows is called the weenus. I know, I remember as a kid, you know, everyone used to play around and be like, I got your weenus, and then everyone was just holding everyone's elbows for some weird reason. Hey Craig, what's up? Thank you. Well, we go. I must say, it's actually quite nice to not have a headband on, except for the fact that my glasses do that. And then I look like a... I don't know. Those people who read like this. As if they're looking down on you, which is rude. Don't do that to people. Do not look down on people. Be better. Be the change you want to see in the world. Okay. Let's see where this goes. 2-minute decline is below there. Is it going to continue back down? Is this now going to start shooting back up? What does this look like on the 5-minute? I don't love that it just completely disrespected that first presented. Back up into the new weekly opening gap. Be a decent shout. Did a retrace, it did a retest the 50% there. Okay. Again, don't love that the first presented is above it though. The only bummer about this one. Otherwise, it's not bad. Stop missing information. Come on, TradingView. Get your stuff together. Okay, my bad. I'm sorry. I apologize. I told it to get its stuff together and now it's mad. My bad, my bad. I am so sorry. I am so sorry. Okay, that would not have worked out. Went straight back into VWAP on ES. Okay, clearly the sellers want to take over here. Hey Craig, yes, futures. You look like Timu Hermione. Wow. Oh no. Oh, I'm dying. I know some of you would love to see that, but still. That Carlos has a different kind of human version. You can still catch but won't produce the same side effects as regular. Okay, moving on. I was looking for shorts at 247.50. 247.50? You think it's gonna go all the way back up there? Alright, I actually need to go. Cheers, Muddy. What's up, John? How you doing? Again here, what's up? How we doing? How we doing? Sorry, I keep scratching my arm because a mosquito bit me, which is very, very rude, but oh well. None of these setups are screaming at me, except for that one earlier, but then it took out my point of interest. Nothing here is... I don't know. Nothing here is looking amazing right now, let's just put it that way. I have the green day of trading clock it. Hey Jose, what's up? How we doing? You know, I have zero expectations anymore. That's where we are at. Where are the expectations? That's zero. Zero. Oil is looking amazing. I've heard oil just looks... Is Jordy here? Jordy! 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 Where's Jordy? Jordy! No, wait, I'm reading that from long ago. That's okay, at least the stream is amazing. Sorry, I just had to make sure I was reading that correct. Was that Sodi that just complimented me? There we go. That's why. Sorry, wrong chat. My bad. I thought so. I thought that was not quite right. Oh my gosh. You guys have way too much fun being mean to me. I'm just saying. Was that a bull trap? Debbie, it kind of looks... Actually, a little bit. Hey, it kind of looks a bit like a bull trap. Ranging, bull trap, and now this could go back down. Like I said, midnight is all the way down here. London low is still down there. It's taken out Asia high, it's taken out London low. Asia low is still below. I'm still kind of neutral. I know some people think this might want to start going back up. I am still pretty neutral about whatever's about to happen. It's back into this range. It's basically sitting on VWAP on ES. So if we just pull ES here, you can see it's literally sitting on VWAP over there. Okay, so let's keep an eye there. Let's see what it does next. Still waiting on SMT to be formed. Has not been formed just yet. This is not a good time to trade. Look at oil. You're leaving money on it. Hey, Willie, what am I trading on? I'm trading on TradingView. What's up? Hey, Bob. What's up? Long time no see. Are you good? I sent you a message in Discord. Are you okay? Banana is streaming right now. Oh, that makes sense. Okay. My bad. I'm suspecting a market crash soon. I maybe be careful. What I heard anyways. I mean, I can't believe it. Banana in the bullet. I think ES will drive it whichever way it wants to go. I want it to go long, but it very much looks like a bull trap. Yeah, Muddy. ES is pushing for shorts. Sorry. I know that's not what you want to hear, but it looks like ES is pushing for shorts. Here we go. Going to look a little bit more convincing. What does this look like on the 5 minute? Okay. Back into the support level over here, back into where it was ranging this morning during London session, basically. Tapped back into this range. Oh, man, this actually is ranging just at a higher volume, especially if you look at the 5 minute. Like, it's going down oh so slowly, but... Yeah, this is not the volume you want to see. Kevin, you're in a short. Nice! Golfing candle means something. I still think that last version golfing candle means something. Sherwin, what do you think it means? Do you think it was a fake out, or do you think it means that the sellers have just taken control? I'm due for a red pink one so far. One more one hurt me too bad. Ah, true. Venture to get at 378, targeting 50 contracts at... Okay. At 285. Okay, so back down to VWAP. Nice, nice, noise. A noise indeedio. Okay, well, we are back in this range. SMT again created on ES. ES is definitely pushing the sell side. Looks muddy. Oh my gosh. Sellers are aggressive. Yeah, sure, and I agree. What 30 more minutes, DJ, you buddy? I'm glad you read. Yeah, no, Debbie, I'm glad too. I also read that and went, DJ? Okay, okay. It's just because my hair is clean, so it actually, problem is it gets in my face, but it's fine. Sellers are still wanting to be in control. No, the problem is I like the setup, but it's not a platform. I have a fair value gap. And that's it. And Bob level. It's the only thing I got going for this trade. That's not a good setup. ES is a good setup, seriously. ES today would actually probably be the one to be trading on. See what ES looks like with the setup. Not great with regards to VWAP being below there, but 1, 2, and ES is also. I guess you can argue that it would have taken out some. liquidity there. Ooh, wait a minute. Do we have a bulbul being formed right now? This could start to spike back up. Let's watch what happens. Sorry. I know I'm a little bit like bing focused and I'm ignoring. Well, I'm not ignoring the chat. That sounds rude. I'm not like actively ignoring you. I'm just very focused on what's going on right now. And then a ping up. Come on, this is where I'd want to see a ping. Nope, maybe not. Okay, Perry. 143 is my stop loss. Oh, thanks, Samuel. Hey, JH, what's up? I'm not touching Nasdaq at the moment. This price is flickering too much. Yep, take the short and keep it small and see what happens. Interesting. Sorry. This is just interesting with regards to my bulbul. Look at that. That would have been such a quick boom in and out. Ah. I do like the bulbul. Oh well. Sorry. I'm talking a lot about random things. I'm out. Hey! Oh, Kevin! Like... Whoop whoop out. Whoop whoop. Look at that work. Yeah, no pickup line today. No, Samir, what? Where's them pickup lines at? Come on. We need something good. Whoop whoop. Kevin, that was awesome. Well done. You should be happy.
That's what she said.
No, the rules say it's not an A+ setup, so I shouldn't take it. It's not an A+ setup. But it looks nice, but it's not an A+ setup. I can't just go based off of looks. Me. Yeah, I'm just gonna sit here squishing my face. Oh well. Patience pays. Only take the A+ setups. Don't get impatient. Don't take things just because you think it looks nice. See, it's about to tap back into the 5 minute. Hey Dom, what's up? Enter it where you want to put your stop loss. Sherwin, at this point, I'm starting to believe that that is a good idea. Tapped into the 50% on ES, like a boss. Watch it work out perfectly, but it's not A+. I'm trying so hard to be disciplined with this A+ only. I'm trying so hard. Like I said, this has 2. Shoot, actually, I guess technically it had the 5 minute, but that, you know, that's not really my confluence. I don't exactly use the orb as a confluence for myself. I just have it up as a little bit of, it adds a little bit more information to the charts for me. Dom, you're gonna go long where I have my stop loss at. Interesting. And where you're gonna head up towards? The tippy top? You're gonna try and cover the whole weekly opening gap? Good rejection of the bob levels. Seriously, a lot of wicking off of it. Okay. Hasn't made a decision yet. Let's see. Which is counterintuitive. Obviously on my trade, but my stop loss is quite low. Hey Ian, do I make money? Not yet. Here we go. Seriously, I really need to reevaluate things. My B setups are working like a boss, like B for boss. A plus has just been... Maybe I do need to go do a bit of a reevaluation, but I mean, seriously. That being said, nothing's confirmed just yet. What does this look like on the 5-minute, actually? Oh, okie dokie. We're still ranging on the 5-minute. Going freaking bob to bob again. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? I don't know why I went a little bit of an accent there, but it's okay. Okay. Well then. Tapped into the 5-minute. Let's see. Dom, what about the first presented? What if it respects? What if it respects? What if it respects? Oh my gosh. The heck out of the first presented. I take it back. I'm so sorry for doubting you. My bad. Wow. Okay. Okie dokie then. And patience pays. Hard lie, whatever you say, that's a B. I'm like, damn, who's grading? Does B setups only have only... Yes, that's it, OTT. I failed to make new low. I'm interested in going long now. Did I hear an American accent? I have no idea. Can I just say, I am very open and honest about the fact that I am so disgustingly bad at accents. Disgustingly bad at disgustingly bad at recognizing accents and being able to try and create accents. Sometimes I do it accidentally and people are like, oh, you did this accent. I was like, did I? Didn't do it on purpose. It just happened. I was thinking about oil 2 days before the blow up thing. Never doing anything with it. I mean, my entry model only has 2 confluences, but that doesn't make it an A+. It's the higher time frames that decides that. So for entry, it's just a breaker and a fair value gap. That's all. That's it? OTT? When I look at the charts for long, I can feel my brain cells dying. Some could probably say the same thing about watching my stream sometimes. Actually, I'm surprised Solly didn't jump on that. Solly, be better. And just like that, we got another banger Bob quote. This price is so choppy, it reminds me of the day my barber discovered energy drinks. Love it. Sorry, I know I'm sighing a lot, but this price action is disgusting. What did I say CHOP stood for this morning? I mean, I was talking rubbish, but said CHOP. CHOP is chaos has other priorities. There we go, that's what CHOP stands for. Apparently I imitate someone that just got trade. Angry Bob. That was pretty freaking solid. That was amazing. That was hilarious. Shoot. Your gestures and facial expressions are wonderful. Thank you. Guys, have you heard about what's it called? Tiny acting. Tiny acting. Have you guys heard of tiny acting? I have to do the little fingers. Have you guys heard of it? It is so funny. It is hilarious. Into the first presented, struggled to break out. Guys, this chopper's too nasty. This chopper's too nasty. I do not trust anything right now. Okay, anyways, tiny acting. What's up, Jordy? There you are. Where have you been? My strat is 6 things. Bias. Higher time frame, point of interest. Patient. In my entry bias. V-shape is one of those, aren't there? It's an 8 here. Interesting. If we have impulse, then market open will be... What do you mean market open will be good? Market open already happened. Guys, I see we're all confused about when market open is market opening right now. I feel tense too. Thanks, Sherwin. Both missing, don't take the trade. The entry function isn't the strat. Everything together make the trade valid or not. Good. Around. Oh, Hammer, explain tiny acting. Okay, okay, are you ready? Alex, I look so good today. What changed? I'm not wearing my headband. That's basically it. So I got sass going on with the hair. I got sassy hair. That's basically it. Okay, so tiny acting. Now we're quickly doing this. Stop. Okay. Should we have this debate again? Has New York opened? Yes or no? Because EST time, New York already opened at 9:30. This is New York session. Because daylight savings kicked in yesterday, the 8th of March. Anyone? Daylight tradings, exactly. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Fair enough, Foxhole can't spell trader without...
Emotional damage.
It is so rough, but like low-key, that would be so funny for merch, but you're gonna offend a lot of people. London, it only just nearly normal open time. Yes, and New York time, and yes, time change was yesterday. We sprung forward, thank you. Maya looks just like the young version of my client from S Africa. Really? That's quite cool. Rodrigo! Oh, what up? Yeah, I know, this price action is so much fun. I'm having so much fun. No, 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 no. What time? Rodrigo? What time? Oh, Hammer, sorry, wait. Tiny acting. Tiny acting. Let me explain tiny acting. So tiny acting is you try and do as little as possible, so it's just like facial expressions. There's some guys, I must actually find who they are. There's some guys on TikTok that do it, and I think it is so funny. You know, so you have different scenarios. Like they had a scenario, what was it, where they said, okay, so imagine you're at work, you literally got so bored you basically passed away, and then came back to life, and then realized that you were still at work. And then you have to act out that scenario using as little anything as possible. So I'm going to try to do tiny acting. Okay, I'm not going to be great at it, but I'm going to try it. Maybe I need to take... No, glasses can stay on. So tiny acting with regards to this. Wait, before I get distracted. Well, not that I'm not distracted already, but anyways. Okay, let's see if this would have worked out. I'm not convinced. I'm not convinced with this price action anyways. That's why we're going to talk about tiny acting. So tiny acting, let's do the scenario I just said. So you're at work, I'm gonna be quiet for a minute and just act out that whole scenario, so just bear with me. So. Okay, that was it. I did a really bad job. I'm not good at tiny acting, but that's basically it. You act out a scene with as little movement as possible. You basically just use your facial thingies. Ooh. Marshall, what's up? I am streaming from KZN. Let's go check Discord. 5 minutes. No news today. I'm on lunch right now from SMT and Inverse Valley Gap. Nice! Your entry was the first presented. Yeah. I mean, this is just Chop City to me, but yeah. What, my being quiet for 10 seconds? You are so rude. Just don't trade. Yeah. Hey, Platinum Player, what's up? The legend! Heyo, what's up? Gotta find me a tiny actor. Yeah, no, have a 100%, and you are going to die laughing. I do not do them justice. If you go and look at the tiny acting on TikTok, it is so funny. You know when you like nearly start crying because you're laughing so much? I do not know why it entertains me so much, but I love it. Oh, shush. My gosh, what a wake-up call. Yeah. Gary Luxford? What's up? TP is the top of the bob level. Okay. Okay. Is this Mojo Jojoing just on a very high level right now? Obito, no, what happened? No, Geordie, not really. I was going to, I thought, oh, all of these look good, and now I'm going, never mind. They actually look really, really bad. It kind of looks like it's coiling, just on a very big scale. The trend is your friend until it's not. To be fair, it's not really trending right now. I mean, it's going sideways, so yay, sideways is my friend right now. Have you seen the people trying to not laugh and practice the poker face? No, and I know that I'd be so bad because people can tell if I'm lying instantly. I take it as a compliment. I think it's a good thing that I cannot lie. Literally, I can't play poker. I can't play any of those games where you lie. I literally now know... Do you know what I had to start doing? I had to start doing... lying in a way of I knew that I would get excited if I had good cards, so I would pretend to be excited if I got bad cards. That was the only way I could lie, because I can't fake my emotions. So I had to just be like... And I had to act suspicious, and then that was the only way. And then they figured that out, and then I was screwed. Then I can't. And what's up? Cheers, buddy. Stopped on it yesterday, but it was nasty. I hate the sideways scamming. I know, it's mean. It is mean. This is mean. Hello, sweetie pie. Can I help you? I ran somewhere hoping I would be early. No, Bito, I'm so sorry. How do you pick what to tiny act about? So you can literally give a scenario. Bob, if you want to give a scenario, go for it. You can... I'm just using one of the scenarios they use, so you can literally have a scenario like anything. Like you're waiting at the bus stop and someone sits next to you who stinks. So it's like, you know, you can just be sitting there and you're like... like that. You know, it can literally be any scenario. You can pick whatever you want. I just think it's lots of fun and it's all... I think you're lying now. About what though, Hammer? What am I lying about? Hey, EJ, what's up? Emma. Sorry, that was a Solly line. It was. That was rude. Gosh. Solly is being a bad influence. Meanie baninis. Oh, I don't think you guys heard that. My whole back just went... Volume coming. Let's see down. Our range is fully formed. The top is at first presented and bottom of range is at double bottom. See how long for actual New York move. This might be it. SMT created on ES? No, I lie. Break it, it's not yours. Little rubbish, but I love you. Hey Axe, what's up? I know. This is kind of terrifying to be in right now. Like, is this a fake out? Is this actually going somewhere? This was kind of the only place I got a little bit excited because of the bull and I was like, ooh! But that was it. I must say that bull's pretty good. I need to do percentage-wise of how accurate it is, but so far this bull... So basically, I also wanted to see if it's like a bearish doji, then a bullish doji, then a bullish engulfing. Is it even better? Because that setup would have been a banger. Literally. Pretty damn solid. Let's break 50k mindset. Bureau Boba, what do you mean? We're going up, 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 nee, 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 nee. Ooh! Oh, this looks like the teacup pattern. Target New York high. Okay, not a bad target. Is it gonna head there though? Okay, that wouldn't have even tagged me in. Oh, this price action sucks. Do 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 do. 6687. Kevin, why 6687 and not 694? Just out of curiosity. Sorry, just genuinely asking out of curiosity. Check that 4 hour. Okie dokie. Let's check the 4 hour. I mean, I don't mean to be that guy, but I mean, this still kind of sucks. This is still sideways. It's bigger, but it's still sideways. It's kind of created a doji there, took out close. It's back into this. Let's see if it closes above this demand zone. Not demand zone. Resistance level. That's what I meant. Because clearly there's a lot of resistance going on here at 488. Let's see if it closes above. 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. Still did not close above. Maybe it breaks through now, but let's see. I'm on the 4 minute, like an absolute chopstick. You meant the 4 hour. Might be. What was I saying about being a chopstick? That's right. Back into that. Yeah, like I said, it would be nice to see it come and take out this new weekly opening gap. Is it gonna happen though? Should be the next level. What's this? 5, 6, 7? 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4, 5, 6, 7. That's amazing. Small things amuse small minds. Moving on. No, Bob, please, please, please. Okay, send it to me on Discord. I'm genuinely curious what happened. Philippa? Or Philip? It's still chopping inside the 15-minute range. I mean, this thing is just still chopping away. Chip, chop, chip, chop, chip, chop, chopping away at my will to live. Dun, dun, dun. Life tone on the beat? What's up? Hello, are you from South Africa? What's up? Welcome. We're gonna hold our runner throughout session to close that gap after TP1 is hit. Ooh, okay. That'll be interesting to see if it works out. Tapped into the new weekly opening gap, has not tapped into it yet on ES. So yeah, maybe longs are in play, but gosh, this price action still really sucks. Let's see. Yeah, I'm good. I'm also South African. Hope you're doing well. Maya, you're supposed to be making money. I know. I am waiting. You can't rush. Cannot rush things. So that being said, this is quite nice, if it gets there. What's this look like on the 5-minute? Still stuck in that 15-minute range. Only plus side is that there's that shelf there. 1, 2. It's another B setup. Being annoying. That's what it is right now. I have not had a single A+ setup. Yeah, I have literally not had a single A+ setup this whole session. Yeah, I'm really South African. What's up? Do I not look South African? Or sound South African, rather? I always get so confused when people say you don't look South African. I'm just like, what does that mean? By the way, it is super... Oh my goodness, that was so demanding. Did you see how he just walked in here and was like, give me attention? Human? Sorry, my bad. My bad. I'll be better. You want a sweetie? Okay, yes, his eyes are fixated on this. Just one, because you've basically eaten all of them. What do I look like? I'm probably gonna wait till the new weekly opening gaps gets filled and close above and start looking for... Okay, wait, OTT, why would you start looking for longs once the gap has been closed? Once it's been closed, wouldn't you maybe want to start going short again? Explain, please. What does it mean? How do I not look South African? Must I just, like, get one of the vervet monkeys to come in here? Be like, look. American Canadian. TP1 hit. Hey, AJ, nice. Whoop whoop, that is amazing. In profit, I love it. I love it. Hello, sweetie pie. Oh no. Oh, don't hit your head on that. Okay, we hit TP1. Y'all that hit. Okay, Bob, let's see if I can do this tiny acting without telling people what the scenario is, because that would be very funny. Whoop whoop to anyone that now had a winner chicken dinner. Next is green after lunch. I took that out. Oh my my goodness. Anyways. Just right below pivot. Two demos and new daily opening gap, 5k value gaps, aka volume imbalances. So if NQ closes above, I want to use it and inverse in for prices support higher prices. Oh, okay, makes sense, makes sense. Got it. Got it. Get it, girl. Drop it, do that. Drop it low. Sorry, that was that random song from that movie Rio. It's cute. Now I get to the 9:30 and the end log. Okay, it's tapped into the 4, 5, 6, 7 level. Let's see how it reacts off of it. If it's going to react off of it. Okay, but it broke above the 15-minute now. Oh, my nose is itchy! Stop it! No, I trade both London and New York, beat. That's not good, that one! John, you suspect it's going down. Interesting. Looks like it wants to fly up. That is so interesting. Oh my gosh. I absolutely love how people read the charts differently. Looking at the exact same thing, but just seeing it different. I think it's so cool, yet low-key so frustrating because... yeah. I think the bigger range is too big, unfortunately. Just took out high on ES. Okay. Do I trust anything that's going on right now with NQ? Not really, but that's okay. You're inside the ML like we are right now, but it's just the way I use these concepts, because if we close above, my next target is a 4-hour unmitigated gap. I'm bullish today, so I took shorts because I'm following my rules and reacting to price. Mostly take analysis, yeah. What time frames am I trading? On the 1 minute actually, but I do check the 5 and 15 minute. Okay, tiny act, lifting a paper clip like it weighs. And you collapse after. I don't have a paper clip here. Where my hair clips at? What about a shell? I can do it with a shell. Bob, are you now kind of invested in this tiny acting thing? I love it. I'm all for it. Should we do a little tiny acting while we wait for this? Wait. We are in the new weekly opening gap. We haven't quite hit that 50%. We did take out that high there. This might want to retest further down though, because it just took out all of this buy side liquidity on ES as well. Problem is, the full range would be ideal, but being the key word here. Yeah, that's not ideal. This one does have 1, 2, 3. Sorry, deep in thought. Deep in thought. What's up, Alt Street Official? How you doing? Hey, Alex, no, nothing yet. Tomorrow I go buy some ice cream. Watch the gap fill. It's right at the bob level. I know. That's what I'm looking at. I would say sell now and take profit. What, John? Sell to the retest. To be fair, I did start the day with a little bit more of a bearish bias, but clearly, well, no, I had a what? Meh bias. Today been a rough day for my yeah, OTT, I don't know what you're talking about. Nah, Apollo, nothing. Nothing today. And now it's making me question my life choices again. Well, nothing. Not life choices, that sounds bad. Making me reevaluate half of this stuff. And doubt a lot, especially when it's choppy like this, where nothing would have worked out. The only thing that would have worked out was the bulbul over there. Yeah, that didn't retest far enough down. It's not a bulbul. It's like it wants to go higher up. There we go. Also doing a proper sweep of the London high. Greedy? What about greedy? 20 trading days, don't stress. 520 looks good for a re-entry. I know, that's what I was, well... That's what I was keen on. I think if it goes further down, it's going to just continue going down. That's interesting. It has not made really nice fair value gaps on ES. ES's push is not as hectic as NQ's push. Okay. Which means if ES starts dropping properly, it's a problem. I just do roll trading, no leverage. The only thing I'm long on is precious metals. Aw, I appreciate that. Sometimes I don't feel like I know my stuff, but I appreciate that you think I know my stuff. I'll take it. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna come back to that level, unfortunately. But it is what it is. Yeah, this low-key feels like it's at a deciding point again. New weekly opening gap. Yeah, it's still in play. Hit the 50% of this new weekly opening gap. It's kind of where it's stuck right now. I think it's going to decide if it's going to just shoot up to the roof or come back down. Only an A+ setup on the 1 minute. It's not an A+ setup on the higher time frames at all. Shoot, man. Okay. Wall Street Center. What am I gonna do with the profit if I get profit? Save / invest. Yeah. Oh, I did not tiny act the shell. Okay. A.a.a. Probably price go there now. Let's say this is the top. Interesting. Okay. So, Bob says I must tiny act. Lifting a paperclip that weighs like 500 and you collapse after 1 rep. Okay. You think bearish is the way to go soon? Whoa. No, wait. Sorry, as I'm about to do tiny acting, something cool happens. That is a solid rejection off of Bob level. Look at that wick off of there. I'd be keen to see it, yeah, start to go up to the next Bob level now. Let's see if it does. No, maybe not. That is a solid wick off of it. If I was doing Bob to Bob, I'd probably enter along to the next Bob level here. Come on. There we go. Fair enough, Fox, I'll take a breath here. This wouldn't be a bad short. I don't think we're going to be bearish at all today. Hey, interesting. I'm waiting for 750. Let's see, like I said, this huge wick off of this Bob level makes me think that we are going to go up to at least 608. Could be wrong though. Could be very wrong. Let's see how it reacts here. Also did reject off of that itty bitty little order block. Okie dokie. I realize how much I can call level to level, Bob to Bob, but never takes it. I don't... OTT... I don't know. I think if I do start doing it, I'd have to start on eval. I don't think it's a great idea to start it unfunded. I mean, not like my strategy is going amazing at the moment, but still. I see liquidity or grab the momentum. Buyers work all the time. Oh, cheers, Dom. Nope. AJ, sorry. I see price on 0.2. This is JP. Ma, did you just call me Ma? Sorry, Ma in Afrikaans means mum. Did you just call me mum? Just saying. Huh. Maybe not. It's not letting it break. Ah, there we go. It might start breaking below here. I'm gonna say it's not letting it break below the new weekly opening gap on ES. There we go. Okay, it broke below now. Let's see. Price action. Yeah, this is a tough one. Crazy market I'm suspecting down soon, but what do I know? John, you sound like me. Any Afrikaans? Yeah, Afrikaans. I am not actually Afrikaans. Just saying, putting it out there. I'm very much English, even though I know I struggle with English as well, so... Which means I'll just be disgusting at trying to speak Afrikaans. I can understand Afrikaans, I can speak a little bit of it, but... Aaron, are you gonna try buy from 0.2? My buy entry would be here at 525. If I was gonna take it, but I'm not trusting whatever the heck this is right now. I think if this breaks below, it's gonna start going down properly. But, you know, what do I know? Should take the 24465. before moving lower. Oh, you think it's gonna come back, maybe tap back into the first present and then go back up? Is that what you're thinking? Ian? Ah, Henny, awesome. What, just because of the Afrikaans? I mean, that could be a goodie. It's why I'm a little bit hesitant. This is not good. This right here is a little bit of a no-no. That's why I don't really want it to... I swear, if this goes bob to bob, I'm gonna be shooketh. I will be shooketh. Then I will watch OTT. I'm just gonna stop in like through it. We're doing bob to bob levels. Okie dokie. Anyways, now I'm thinking, is the market still so wants to get to close it? You need to take me more sell pressure. Just use it with one con. You're not going to blow it that way. True. Let's see if this would have worked out. If it is, if I'm calling these bob to bob levels like a mouse, then maybe I should just start saying, you know, I'm really good at seeing if it rejects off of it, but that's about it. I mean, they're solid rejection, solid rejection. These three basically rejecting off of it was good. That's solid rejection over there. Let's see if it does climb higher to, what did I say? 608? Yeah, 608 is a good shout. Let's see if they, well, no, never mind, I forgot. There's nothing there. This is the new weekly opening gap. Let me grab over the previous candle on the high, then sell it 0.2. I see shift for sales already. So Aaron is selling now. Who's in sells and who's in buys right now? And your sales target is 0.2. Down here, nice. This is now just going choppy again. God, guys. It could give us something amazing. That would just be so nice. Okay. Just gonna put my mouse there at 608. I said 608 here. Let's see, this could just be a bit of a fake out happening, but it did push properly on ES now. Never mind. But now no wick. How's it going? I'm still in a macro, so I'm waiting. Oh, disgusting. New York is just disgusting. It's just been a bit of a chop fest, then a bit of a breakout, and now just chopping again. So that's great. That's amazing. So John is suspecting down now. A lot of people are suspecting down now. Joy of travel. What's up? How are you? How have you been? How's it been going? Hope you're amazing. Yeah, it does look like this. Oof. Okay. I'm giving this thing like 5 more minutes to make up its mind. If we're just gonna stay choppy, it's not even worth me sitting here watching it, trying to triple guess myself. But let's see, let's see. Let's give it 5 minutes. It might give us something amazing that I can then go and trade, right? Trading done. Yay! Joy of travel, so whoop whoop. Draw some lines for laughs. Shop until 11, 10, 11, 18, New York look time, then should start to see momentum. Yeah, why? Ooh, interesting. Why that time in particular, Ian? And I'm straight to stop loss, so I'm done for the day, I think. No! I'm so sorry. Okay, but wait. This is for Joy of travel. Whoop whoop. Well done. Why those times though, Ian? That's interesting. For a lot of people say that's normally like lunchtime, so that's where it calms down and then it picks up again after lunch. John, no, exactly. Why I am kind of watching it here. You know, maybe I should just start doing level to level. Just one contract. Mark it in when I see something good. At this point, it would do me better. My own freaking strategy. Bruh. I had it at 168. It's going there slowly, but it's going there. Okay, let's see. Well, 10 minutes of trading done. JP, you're hopping on Discord. Nice. Maybe a bearish trade. I would still be keen on this. Well, the bob to bob long until it hits 608-ish. Could be wrong. This could start pushing down, but I think it's going to slowly go up to around 608. Let's see. Maybe, who knows? Maybe it'll hit that 610 level. Freaking bob to bob, man. Bob to bob. Hey, everyone, you done for the day? Why not trade level to level? I do that most of the time and done in 20 minutes. Level to level? Which level to level? Joy of travel. What levels do you have? Just requested a 15k payout after just 1 week of having my funds already taken out. Let's go. David! Whoop, whoop. No, hey Aaron, I'm so sorry, but it's okay. It's okay. We're both in a bit of a red day, and it's fine. Things happen. Whoop whoop, David. That is amazing. That is awesome. Well done. Proud of you. Climbing the bob ladder. Honestly, I mean, it has slowed down, but it is still going. Let's see how it reacts here. Just studying price at 10, 18 for each hour, then 23 and 38 of each hour. It's interesting to see how the algorithm will structure specific signatures during specific times. I'm going to copy that. Thanks, Ian. I'm going to check that out. That sounds very interesting. Especially those times. Like, that's... How do I put this? That's kind of random? Those are quite... Okay, not the 10 past, but the 18 past, and the 23 and 38 are quite... I almost want to say random, but you know, nothing's random in these freaking charts. I think it'll go clear out the 600, and the target's over. And then reverse down. And make it off. Oh, David! Mad love, you're amazing. Guys, don't forget to press that like button. Yeah, if you guys want some discounts, you can use my code, TeachMaya. I mean, there's 75% off Violin, 30% off of all of the Tradeify accounts, which is awesome. Yeah. This movement today is just to cover what's happened last night. They're just filling in orders from... what the... was? Stop loss on Forex, but at least I made some profit on Stockmarket. Oh, then that's okay. That's okay. Filling in the gap, yes. ICT always says it's about time and price. Price on NQ moves around 50 to 70 points, but it moves from high volume node to the next high volume node. When you trade, it's that simple to do. So, Joy of Travel, you use volume profiles, from what I'm understanding, right? How do you draw out your Mablippy? You have a new opportunity every 15 minutes. See, so my question is, the random was with the 10, 18, and 23 and 38 past. That's not 15 minutes. After 11, it gets hard to read due to the lunch hour, like you mentioned. Typical want to wait for trades until after 2 p.m. now that the first big move is in. Okay. But Joy of Travel, how do you draw it out? Are you using bob levels, or do you draw it out like each day a new one? Do you look back to like a week and do a weekly? Do you go more into like the minutes? Or do you just draw daily, done, next, daily, done, next? I'd like to show you someday if you have. Oh, of course, Joy of Travel. You're on the Discord, right? Pop me a message. Let me know when you have time. I'm so keen. Like I said, I'm actually super bummed right now. I wanted to kick rocks at, I don't even know who. I just wanted to kick rocks at someone yesterday. Because I had like a set amount of time where I wanted to hop on and go and do some backtesting. Really get into it. Check out the volume profile because JP has been teaching me a little bit also about his volume profile and how he uses it. I really wanted to go backtest it. And the power was out yesterday. Oh, so frustrating. Okay, well, I gave it 5 minutes and nothing has happened. I'm gonna just, out of curiosity, draw this at 608. I guess there's no point. I know exactly where the bob level is, but let's see. JP, hot take, guys. Don't overcomplicate it. I know, but it's like my thing, and clearly I need to improve somewhere, right? I need to improve somewhere, or my strategy has to evolve with the evolving markets. Sorry. I'm giggling at the bob to bob. Bob, did you take this, by the way? Did you take this level to level? Or are you taking a little bit of a break? Or what's happening? Victor, no trade day. See these? Well, I took a trade during London, which was a loss, but it is what it is. But haven't gotten anything during New York, and that's fine. I marked them out one time, and I never marked them out again. Okay, so yeah, it sounds like you have similar to Bob levels. Watch now, we are in the 10-18. So in that 10 to 18 range is what you're saying, right? So that full range from 10 past until 18 past, that's the range that you look at. Nightmare? Hey, Night! How's it going? How's the trading been? Long time no see. Adjust the chart. Which chart? And there, Bob. To freaking Bob. Are you kidding me right now? I'm seriously considering tomorrow doing Bob to Bob. When I see these and I'm just like, that's it, that's a Bob to Bob. Taking it. If I'm very confident in it, just saying, yep, okay, let's do this. Like here, this rejection off of it, boom, Bob to Bob. Even if it's a few points, just one contract in, mark it in. Have a tight stop loss so it makes no difference, especially with one contract if it comes and takes me out. Sun. Oh, I did. Wait, no, I did not. Let me check. I saw there was an update there. Oh, that is amazing. Knight. Oh my gosh, Knight, you deserve this. Whoop whoop. That is a banger. That is so cool. Yeah. Schmecks? Is that schmeck? Schmeck. Schmeck? Will the gap rally a bit beyond version? Maybe pretty and green. Trading Journey, what's up? How you doing? 75% of the gap filled. May retrace. Later, thank you. Or hopefully I'll get a max payout from Top Step. Nightmare, that is amazing. Well done. Bob to Bob, if it rejects off of it now, I will not be surprised. Actually go back into this range. Where's the 50% of this full range actually? Let's check out. Well, when I say this full range, I mean this full range from here, because that's where it actually last went. Whoop. 16 okay, wait, so let me check up. So from 10 past until 18. You're now gonna get me fixated on these times. I really want to see what these particular times do now. Every day you learn something new. Every day I'm getting closer to taking a bath with my toaster. Okay, Apollo, what's up? Van Hogan, ayo. No wait, Van Hoeng. I feel like I butchered that. What's it? Think like many, your confidence is not there. Yep, you're stalling, yes. Be cautious, but this is a game of quickness. Trust your setup. Ah, Apollo, that's the problem. This price action has not been great with my setup, so I have been... To be fair, the only A+ setup was here, and it did not come and tag me in. There's been no A+ setup today for my strategy. Advice you to think through what you're doing and your objectives. Trading and second advice. It's not everything trading, simple. Josh, that's the thing. I love to overthink. It's what I have been working on. Well, trying to work on. Trying being the keyword. Okay, sorry, I was just quickly reading something. Okay, and now there's the 18 level. Gonna have to check this out. Been online for 7 years. Jacko and green fixes in freefall. Oh, damn, okay. That was a 40-point move inside the 10 to 18. Interesting, Ian. Okay, I'm really gonna go and check that out. But, like I said, there's just been no A+ setups for me today. Well, that's a lie. There's been one here. That was an A+ setup. Wait. Where was this? There. Wouldn't have tagged me in regardless. So New York was just, I mean, not bad, but not my friend with my strategy today. And that's okay. So big engulfing. Just gonna go back down to Bob level. Let's see what this does here. With Bob to Bob, I mean, there's all of this liquidity it might want to come take out before it continues. This could be the retest happening. Back down to first present would actually be quite nice. What's up? Sometimes I trade like hourly and 15 minutes later run for hours. Sometimes I do micro scalping 30-second shots with a couple of points. Well, Knight, you know, I think the only thing that's important is that it makes sense to you. At the end of the day, if it makes sense to you, then who cares? I am a day trader, actually, Josh, believe it or not, but I have a very particular setup. So, yeah. Notice how it's not after the 18. Great call on that large. Quick rejection off of the Bob level. Thank you. Next move will structure the 20, the 28. Bob level, nice. Too long I have. Look at my analysis. Yeah. Wait. The next Bob level? How many pips do you average a month? Josh, a month. Good grief, I have no idea. Pushing it on a month, I mean, it kind of... Everything varies, especially now with this weird market we've been having. So very interesting. I'm really good at being able to tell if it's going Bob to Bob with the wick rejection. Not so much with engulfing. I've not been great with regards to the engulfing. Like here, I would have maybe been keen on taking this, and then stop loss would have been above here. But this now looks like it might be headed up. I was looking for a Bob to Bob level, so where did I say? Let's say I had it here. Oopsies. It's a tad bit large, but like so. How much is this? Nearly a 2-hour trade. That's a better type of rejection. Not the best rejection, but it did reject. Let's see. You know, I actually gave up on trading last year December and Jan and tried one last time in Feb and I was able to get all these payouts. Wait, what? Wait, Knight, what? Why did you give up on trading last year December and Jan? You were doing amazing. What happened? Kevin, do I play any sports? I do not play any sports, but I ride horses. Why? What's up? Sorry, I've been eaten alive by mosquitoes right now. Yeah, wait, Knight, I have so many questions. You were doing so well and you were... Why did you decide or try and give up? I've been using 15-second charts and breaker blocks and it's been working really well. Oh, there we go. You'll become profitable. ISO. ISO. Also, 15-second charts are insane. But if it's working for you, awesome. No, I was gambling too much and I was messing with my head. I guess bad habits. Ah, okay, so then what? Okay, what then changed this night? "15 seconds until it closes." A whiff whiff. Bork bork. Mini borks. Mini scary. Big scary dog. Sorry. I sometimes mock my dog like that. I'm so sorry. What's up, Mr. D? How you doing? Overthinking fades when friction gets removed. Find the friction between your way of thinking and the way you trade. Adjust trade. Only clarity appears. Overthinking disappears. I like that. Okay. Gonza, what's up? Sorry, I'm going to copy paste that because I need to work. Here's my thing that I need to work on. I know that overthinking is the thing I need to work on. A whiff. I'm unfunded. Go for the road. What's up? Only one, Gonza. Only one account. Oh no! I'm so sorry. That's okay, Mr. D. We can pay out our internet, not let's make more trades and make more money mindset. I was like, I just need to make this 1 or 2 trades and lock myself out. Well done. See, I think that's all. Yep, see, I'm not good with the engulfing when it comes to the bob levels. I'm good with the wicks and the rejection. I'm good with rejection. Oh. Hello. Hey, MJ, what's up? Charles, how can I join the online class? There's an online class. I didn't know there was an online class. Interesting. Okay. I can see that this is now going to be slow until after lunch. So I'm going to call it there for today. I am already in the red for this weekend. But that's okay. Tomorrow's a new day. We've got this. Tomorrow's a new day. I'm really going to consider these bob to bob levels. I'm like, I might start doing something tomorrow. Let's see. Okay, but let me call it there before I start fixating a little bit, as I like to do. So, I'm gonna stop there. I will be back tomorrow. London and New York session. Maybe London an hour early. There was so many debates about if London had moved earlier or not. Anyways. Okay, how about this? I will be on 3 a.m. EST time. So, if that's London session or not, there will be debates. There was literally a 50-50 divide on the poll that I took this morning. So that was fun. So I'm going to call it there. Oh, Daz, I'm about to leave. Sorry, bud. I'm going to call it a little bit early because I can see this is going to go slow until maybe the PM session. So let me call it there. I love you guys madly. Thank you for joining. I will be back. I do not have Telegram. Sorry, Charles. I have Discord in the link below. I will be back. London and New York tomorrow. Hope you guys, if you are still trading, trade safe. I love you guys madly. See you then. You guys are awesome.